Hello, good day everyone. We are welcome back. In today's question, once again, we are asked to calculate the blue area, which is this triangle. And from here, we are given the area of triangle PQR to be 209 centimeters square. That is this triangle. We have the length of this side to be Z, and this side is Z. This part here is X minus Z. The length of this side is X minus 6 centimeters, while this is 6 centimeters. We have this angle, this angle, this and this to be right angles. So how can we solve it? To calculate the area of this triangle here, we know the formula for calculating the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. This triangle, because of this right angle, we know is a right angle triangle. In the case of a right angle triangle, we know the perpendicular sides are the base and the height. So if we let this be the base, this must be the height. So blue area equal to 1/2 base times height. Now we come to this triangle. We can see this side and this side are equal in length. That is, it is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the angles facing the congruent sides are the base angles. That is this and this. The base angles we know are congruent. So this angle and this angle are congruent. Let's assume their size to be A. Now concentrate on this line AB and this line QR. This line AC is intersecting both at this point and this point. And we can see here line AC is perpendicular to line QR. And here also it is perpendicular to line AB. That tells us that line AB and this line QR are parallel. So since we are sure that they are parallel, we know that the angle this line AC makes with any straight line is the same angle this line QR will make with the same line. So since this line AB makes an angle A with this side and this side, the angle this line QR will make with the same sides will be A each. That is, this angle and this angle are A. Now look at this side PR. Its length is divided into two. That is this side which is Z and this side which is X minus Z. So the length of line PR is Z plus X minus Z. This Z cancels this minus Z. So line PR equal to X. If we come to this line QR, its length is divided into this part and this. So line QR equal to 6 centimeters plus X minus 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters minus 6 centimeters is 0. So line QR equal to X. And we also have the length of line PR here to be X. That is, this side and this side are congruent. And we know since they are equal, this angle and this angle must also be congruent. So since this is A, this must be A. Now from this triangle, we know the summation of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So since this angle, this are A each, A plus A plus A equal to 180 degrees. A plus A plus A is 3A. Dividing both sides by 3, here 3 cancels 3, while here 180 degrees divided by 3 is 60 degrees. So A equal to 60 degrees. We come here and substitute the values. Now recall here, we have the area of this triangle PQR to be 209 centimeters squared. The area of a triangle can be calculated by the formula 1/2 AB sine C. A and B are representing the length of two sides. Let's use this line PR and this line QR, while C is the angle between them, which is this here. If you substitute the values here, area of triangle PQR equal to 1/2 times X times sine 60 degrees. We equate it to this 209 centimeters squared. So 1/2 times X times sine 60 degrees equal to 209 centimeters squared. 1/2 is 0.5. X times X is X squared. Sine 60 degrees is 0.866. 0.5 times X squared times 0.866 is 0.433 X squared. So 0.433 x squared equal to 209 centimeters squared. Dividing both sides by 0.433. Here 0.433 cancels 0.433. While here 209 centimeters squared divided by 0.433 is 482.68 centimeters squared. Take the square root of both sides. Here square root of x squared is x, while here square root of 482.68 centimeters squared is 21.97 centimeters. So x equal to 21.97 centimeters. We substitute here. 21.97 centimeters minus 6 centimeters is 15.97 centimeters. Now from this triangle, we can use the circle tool to find the length of this side. Let's say C. Taking this angle as theta, there is opposite, there is adjacent, and there is a hypotenuse. From here, SOH means sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Theta is 60 degrees, opposite is C, and hypotenuse is 15.97 centimeters. Sine 60 degrees is 0.866. So 0.866 equal to C over 15.97 centimeters. Multiply both sides by 15.97 centimeters. Here 15.97 centimeters cancels 15.97 centimeters. While here 0.866 times 15.97 centimeters is 13.83 centimeters. So C equal to 13.83 centimeters. That is, the length of this side is 13.83 centimeters. Now look at this line here. It is also at right angle with this side, with which this side is perpendicular to. That means this side and this side are also parallel. So since this side make an angle 60 degrees with this side, this angle between this side and this side must also be 60 degrees. And if you now look, this right angle, this angle and this are aligned on the same straight line. The angle on the straight line is 180 degrees. So since this is 60 degrees and this is 90 degrees, this must be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is 30 degrees. From this triangle here, we use the circle tool. Taking this angle as theta, this is the opposite, this is the adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. From here, tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent. Theta is 30 degrees, opposite is h, and adjacent is b. So tan 30 degrees equal to h over b. Tan 30 degrees is 0.5774. 0.5774 equal to h over b. Multiply both sides by b. Here b cancels b, while here 0.5774 times b is 0.5774b. So h equal to 0.5774b. Now still from this triangle, using the Pythagorean theorem, the Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the length of the two other sides. The hypotenuse is the side facing the right angle, which is this. So applying it, 13.83 centimeters all squared equal to h squared plus b squared. But from here, h equal to 0.5774b. If we substitute here, now 13.83 centimeters all squared equal to 0.5774b all squared plus b squared. 13.83 centimeters all squared is 191.2689 centimeters squared. 0.5774b all squared is 0.3334b squared. 0.3334b squared plus b squared is 1.3334b squared. So 1.3334b squared equal to 191.2689 centimeters squared. Dividing both sides by 1.3334. Here 1.3334 cancels 1.334, and here 191.2689 centimeters squared divided by 1.3334 is 143.4445 centimeters squared. So b squared equal to 143.4445 centimeters squared. Taking the square of both sides, here square root of b squared is b, while here square root of 143.4445 centimeters squared is 11.98 centimeters. So b equal to 11.98 centimeters. Substitute here and here. 0.5774 times 11.98 centimeters is 6.92 centimeters. So h equal to 6.92 centimeters. If we substitute here, blue area equal to 1/2 times 11.98 centimeters times 6.92 centimeters, which is 41.4508 centimeters square. So the blue area which you are asked to calculate is 41.4508 centimeters square. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on notifications. Thank you.